Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Ryan here and I'm just making a quick video to show you my Patreon. So Patreon is, if you don't know what it is a way for audience members to donate and contribute to content creators such as myself to help them meet certain targets and certain milestones. So the reason why I wanted to make one of these was that I wanted to make my videos better and also get an avenue in for helping me to create my own game development projects and funding those too. It allows me to get more software, better equipment, things like that. And Patreon is a really good example of ways of how audience members can help contribute and donate money of their own and also get rewards from it too. So like every other Patreon, I'm offering rewards at varying levels and various price points. So if you can just donate $1 a month, that'd be great. But we've got everything going all the way up to I think $500. So what can that get you? So for $1, you'll get access to my Discord server and private messages, and you get to have a chat with me and ask me questions or have a just general talk. But generally, it's just me having massive thank you for you for donating. Every little helps and helps me reach the goals that I want to hopefully get to one day. Beyond that, we also have getter and setter tiers. These are $5 and $10. So the setter, I'll take comments and feedback from each of you, and if you have any specific requests and want me to, or particular videos you want me to make, I'll try and get around to doing the research and playtesting and making a good method of making something for and coding for you. That's a good opportunity for you to do so. That's $5. $10 will get you all the previous stuff as well, but also get access to all the project files. So you'll get access to all the project files. I'll upload them to Dropbox, which will be linked into Patreon and sent to each person that chooses this tier. So it's a great way for you to get access to all the project files for yourself and see exactly what I've done, or play around with the templates I've messed about with and whatever else. Beyond that, we get a bit more extreme and looking at more of the $100 and $300 per month. So for $100, you'll get my help on a project, but this will be full disclosed, so I would make videos on it, on the stuff I'm making. If you want a bit more privacy and want my help on other on your project, but you want it completely private, so no videos, no comments, nothing, no images, I'll have the developer tier for you, which is $300 or more per month, and these are limited to just one per person per month, or one person per month rather. Just because my time is so limited, because I'm a full-time teacher, a full-time parent and husband, so trying to fit this stuff in around is quite difficult. So I just wanted to introduce you to my Patreon, and I'll be adding more rewards to it down the road and more things like that. Please head over there and check it out, and if you're interested, please donate. It'd be a massive help. The first thing I want to try and do is get better equipment so I can be able to do this for longer in more mobile spaces and get better microphones, things like that. But down the line, money to help fund game development projects. I've got a couple of development projects that I'm working on at the moment, which do require a bit more hefty work, especially in the art side of things. It'd be nice to be able to pay an artist for their help on my projects in particular. So if you're interested, please head over there, and thank you again for subscribing and watching all my videos and listening to my dreary British voice and all the weird mannerisms I no doubt have. And thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.